coming in. WhatsApp chat between Sushant Singh Rajput and a person from 9th of June has been accessed by India Today. Sushant Singh Rajput was found discussing an e-commerce deal. Following up on these chats between House Help Dipesh Sawant and the person were also accessed from the morning of June 14. This is a very crucial breaking story that is coming in. Here you've got Dipesh Sawant, who has said that Sushant is asking for certain details pertaining to the deal with the e-commerce giant. This message was sent by Dipesh at about 10:51 a.m. on 14th of June. This is a big lead that is coming in. For the first time, you see it here on India Today. We have accessed the WhatsApp chats that show how Sushant Singh Rajput was seen discussing an e-commerce deal from the morning of 14th of June. There has been a chat where Dipesh has said that Sushant is asking for certain details pertaining to the deal with the e-commerce giant. Arvind Ojha, breaking the story, is joining us. Arvind, 14 जून को जब सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का देहांत हुआ था 10:51 AM, अगर ई कॉमर्स डील की बात कर रहे थे और दीपेश और सुशांत उस बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि उसके कुछ समय बाद वही आदमी जो ई कॉमर्स डिस्कस कर रहा है वो अपनी जान ले लेवे?
बिल्कुल चेती, ये अपने आप में बहुत चौंकाने वाली बात है। और मैं आपको बताऊं कि जो दीपेश सावंत है उसका जो चैट है उसको जो मैसेज किया गया है एक बंदे फ्लिपकार्ट का, ऐसा लगता है कि वो बंदा है, वो मैसेज करता है 10:51 पर 10:51, और उसके बाद दीपेश का कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आता है। वो लगातार उसको मैसेज भेजता रहता है। जबकि सुशांत का है वो 9 जून को भेजा गया है, जिसमें सुशांत आप एक बंदे से बात करते हैं फ्लिपकार्ट के बारे में और रेफरेंस भी देते हैं कि दीपेश हमारे साथ है, वो आपसे बात करेगा। लेकिन 14 जून को 10:51 पर यह मैसेज भेजा जाता है और जो शख्स है वो बाहर वो मैसेज भेजता है। जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं कोशिश करता हूं आपको पढ़ के बताऊं। भाई, वी आर आउटसाइड, लेट मी नो इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प। और उसके बाद लगातार मैसेज भेजा जाता है लेकिन कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आता। और 14 जून को मैं बताऊं कि सुशांत की डेथ हुई थी, तो ये अपने आप में काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। अब जो सीबीआई है वो ये जो शख्स है इसकी तलाश कर रही है और बहुत मुमकिन है कि इससे भी पूछताछ होगी। लेकिन अपने आप में काफी नए चैट्स आ रहे हैं, काफी चौंकाने वाली चीजें इसमें आ रही हैं। और खासकर सुशांत को लेकर एक तरफ वो डिप्रेस थे, उसकी बात आ रही है, ड्रग्स ले रहे थे, उसकी बात आ रही है, मेंटल कंडीशन ठीक नहीं था, उसकी बात हो रही है। लेकिन अब ये चैट आया है जो 9 जून का है, जिसमें वो नॉर्मल बात कर रहे हैं ई कॉमर्स के बारे में। और दूसरी तरफ जो दीपेश सावंत है, जिस तरह की मौत की टाइमिंग है सुशांत के, उसके ठीक पहले उनको एक शख्स मैसेज भेजता है और ये कहता है कि हम लोग बाहर हैं, लेकिन दीपेश रिप्लाई नहीं करते हैं। तो अब इस शख्स की भी तलाश हो रही है और सीबीआई इससे भी पूछताछ करेगी।
जी बिल्कुल। और इस व्हाट्सएप चैट की जो पोजीशन में हम है, जहां पर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत दिखाई दे रहा है कि एक ई कॉमर्स डील डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, और ये 9 जून का है और 14 जून का है। 14 जून वही दिन है जिस दिन उनका देहांत हुआ था। तो अब सीबीआई की जो जांच चल रही है, इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज की जो जांच चल रही है, क्या उनके पास इन मैसेजेस का पोजेशन है? क्योंकि ये जो है ये बहुत ही बड़ा लीड बन गया है। अरविंद
चैती, मैं आपको एक चीज इंटरेस्टिंग बताता हूँ। इसमें सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, लेकिन हर दिन नए व्हाट्सएप चैट आ रहे हैं और नए किरदार सामने आ रहे हैं। अब जैसे अभी इंडिया टुडे ने ये चैट एक्सेस किया है, नया किरदार है। कुछ घंटों बाद हम कुछ और नए किरदार इंडिया टुडे पर दिखाएंगे जो चौंकाने वाली जानकारी है। या तो वो रिया से कनेक्टेड है या वो सुशांत से कनेक्टेड है। तो ये केस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन इतना ईजी नहीं है। सीबीआई लगातार गिर कर रही है और शायद यही वजह है कि आज चौथा दिन है, रिया से पूछताछ हो रही है। और खासकर सुशांत को लेकर जाहिर सी बात है, कई ऐसी बातें हैं जैसा कि मुंबई पुलिस ने इन्वेस्टिगेट नहीं किया था, लेकिन सीबीआई ने जब इंटरोगेशन शुरू किया और सबसे पहले सिद्धांत और सिद्धार्थ पिठानी और सैमुअल मिरांडा से पूछताछ की, तो कई ऐसी नई चीजें पता चली हैं जो सीबीआई उनको क्लियर करना चाहती है। और एक के बाद एक नए चैट्स आ रहे हैं और नए किरदार सामने आ रहे हैं जो इस केस को कहीं न कहीं उलझा रहे हैं, लेकिन सीबीआई उनको इंटरोगेशन करके क्लियर करना चाहती है। जी
बिल्कुल। मैं अभी आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। लेट्स गो स्ट्रेट अक्रॉस टू मुनीश पांडे, माय कॉलीग, हु इज द फर्स्ट वन टू एक्सेस these chats and these conversations. He's the first one to lay his hands on these WhatsApp chats that we are exclusively in possession of. Now, Munish, because of these WhatsApp chats that you have exclusively accessed, the entire narrative of the investigation also will change, because this is a huge lead into what transpired on the morning of 14th of June. What are the CBI sources saying at this point of time?
Yeah, well, Chaiti, why these chats are important, and there are two chats. One is of June 9 and the second chat is of, June 14, the day Sushant died. Now, this conversation was between Deepesh Sawant and Siddharth Gupta, who was a former manager for Sushant Singh Rajput. He was looking after the endorsement. And on June 9, there is one conversation where the person from Flipkart was trying to reach for a endorsement deal, and this is the conversation where Sushant Singh Rajput said that he is willing to do this endorsement. It means that he wanted to work. The mental condition at that point of time of Sushant Singh Rajput was that he wanted to endorse, he wanted to take projects, he wanted to work. Now the question is, the person is so willing to work on projects, why will the person commit suicide just after 5 days? Apart from that, why June 14 is important? This chat is around 10:51, and these people, Neeraj, Keshav, Siddharth Pitani, they have given a statement that post 10:30, when they started banging door of Sushant Singh Rajput, he was not replying, and everyone was panicking at that point of time. But at 10:51, Deepesh Sawant texted that, "Hi sir, SSR asked me to get in touch with you regarding the Flipkart." This was the conversation between Siddharth and Deepesh Sawant, Siddharth Gupta, not Siddharth Pitani. Now, this conversation is at 10:51. If they're panicking at that point of time, how will a person text regarding some endorsement? Because there was a conversation between Deepesh Sawant, that is what he has told CBI. There was a conversation between Deepesh Sawant and Sushant last night, on 13th night, in which he said that get in touch with Siddharth for the endorsement of Flipkart. So this is going to be certainly throwing some light on the investigation and also on the claims made by the four persons who were at Sushant's residence on 13th and 14th, and they will be asked that why are they giving statement that they were panicking when a person is calmly, texting a person at 10:51, almost 21 minutes after, he was not...
I have to move on, but if you could just read out a few snippets of that conversation, because this is explosive, Munish. This is not a small story that we're breaking here. This is going to change the entire narrative. Munish, why don't you give us some excerpts of what was that exchange between Sushant and Deepesh on that day in the morning?
Yeah, well, first time reading the chat of June 9, this was by Sushant Singh Rajput. He's saying, "Zarur mere bhai, hoga wo karunga." It was regarding the endorsement, to which the person has replied, "Bhai, Flipkart is trying to reach you. Whose number should I give to them?" Then Sushant replied to him, "Bhai, Deepesh is with me." It means that he wanted Deepesh to handle this endorsement project, and the person again replied, "Okay, bye, done." It means that they were planning to seal the deal. Now the second conversation is about June 15, and June 13 there was conversation between Deepesh and Sushant asked Deepesh to get in touch with Siddharth Gupta because of the Flipkart deal. On June 14, the first message is at 10:51. Again, I'm saying 10:51 because from 10:30, Sushant was not opening the door. At 10:51, he's texted Siddharth Gupta, "Hi sir, SSR asked me to get in touch with you regarding the Flipkart."
Right.
To which there was no reply immediately, but at 14:48, at 2 o'clock, at 2:48 in the afternoon, he started texting, "Bhai is safe, or no. Please reply yes or no. Bhai, we are outside. Let me know if you need any help. Bhai, koi help chahiye to bata dena. We'll
Right.
be there in 5 minutes. Because the news was already broken around 2 o'clock that Sushant is no more. The person started panicking. But these WhatsApp chats are going to be part of investigation.
Okay, so that means Dipesh has sent out messages even asking Sushant Munish that are you fine? Are you safe? Why is it that you're not responding? And there was some Flipkart deal going on. And in the middle of somebody, Munish, let's leave conjectures behind, but just think about it for a second. A person who was trying to crack a e-commerce deal on the 9th of June, following it up with the 14th of June. It's a little tough to believe that that person would go and end his life in this particular fashion as well, Manish. What are the investigative agencies and what is their take on this as well?
Yeah, well, Chaiti, for the investigators, the biggest, angle of the story for CBI is the mental health of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now they have questioned so many people. They have the statement from Dr. Chavda, Harish Shetty and the other psychiatrists who are treating Sushant Singh Rajput. Now there have been many claims by many people that he was not suffering from anything, but there are statements which the CBI is taking very seriously. Now this conversation is something which is going to throw light on the mental condition also. Because if the person is under depression, if the person is suffering from, some mental health issue.
Okay,
then
Munish,
the
I'm
person
compelled to
will
take a
not
very
be
short commercial break on that note, but Munish Pandey